Hello, friends. Welcome back to another episode of Nifty Weekly Analysis with Debankur Das. As we said last time, Debankur has more than 10 years of experience and he is also MoneyUncle expert partner apart from SEBI Registered Expert.
So let's start with the Nifty like we always do. What happened this week was uh, on Monday, Nifty opened with a gap down, right? With a gap down of about 100 points. And from then on, it started a massive uptrend. Uh, Previous to that, the week before that, Nifty was facing resistance in this 23,650 to 700 zone, and by Tuesday it took out this resistance, it took out the pivot resistance, and on Thursday, which was the monthly expiry day as well, it took out the call writers at the 24,000 level, who were sitting on it and expecting that the 24,000 levels will be protected, the call writers, that is. But it did not happen, and Nifty closed above 24,000. Actually, it went up went up towards 24,000, close to 24,100 before actually settling down to 24,044 levels. And today again, it opened gap up. And what happened was, for the initial, if we look at the intraday charts, we'll see that initially it was trying to cross or get over this resistance, which is at 24,150 odd levels. It tried for some time, during one of the 15-minute candles, as you can see, it closed above that as well, but then it couldn't sustain. And then it kept on trying, but it failed, and then it ultimately gave way. And then it even breached the 24,000 levels intraday. But overall, it still closed above 24,000 levels, and which is still a positive sign. So what can we expect next week? So if Nifty manages to again cross this zone of 24,150 to 24,200, then the next levels will be in the range of 24,250 to 24,500. And if we look at the daily charts again, you'll see in the daily charts the next resistance comes at around 25,000 levels. So if you see the options chain, the maximum open interest at the call side is now at 25,000. So maybe people are expecting that a test of 25,000 is possible, but we'll have to see. And if we see where the maximum call interest additions have happened, it's at 24,500, which has accumulated more than 1 lakh contracts just today. And we have significant additions at most of the strike prices, like 24,100, 24,200, even 24,300, 400, all have more than 1 lakh open interest in calls. And if we see the put call ratio for this particular week, we'll see that the it's just about 1:1, which was not the case over the last few weeks. uh, Over the last few weeks, we would see that the number of puts were overpowering the number of calls. I mean, the put call ratio was closer to 1.3, 1.4, even 1.5 in some cases. But for this coming week, or for this current week, as you can see, the put call ratio is close to 1:1, which basically says that the bulls might be feeling a bit, you know, what should I say? The bulls might be feeling a bit jittery now, considering the short time it has taken for Nifty to, uh, go from 23,000 to 24,000 levels. So they are already winning by quite a handsome margin, and probably they're trying to be slightly more defensive now, and see what the bears have in their have what the bears how the bears can put up a fight. And that is how they want to see, want to look at it right now. It seems like. So, what happens if the Bears, make a comeback? So, Bears, I mean, for them to really make a significant comeback, this level has to give away, which is 23,800 levels. So they have to bring Nifty below 23,800 levels uh, for some short covering really to of sorry for some long unwindings actually from the bulls to start. So once the because this week the FIIs, I mean this month, the new expiry for July, FIIs are net long, which they were not in the earlier months, quite a few months. So the FIIs are net long. So until and unless the bears bring down Nifty below this 23,800 levels or 750 levels, 750 800 levels, don't see much of a problem with the markets. uh, Range bound activity can happen if the bulls do not put in a lot of effort from now on. So we can say that from 24 250 to 23 750 odd maybe the range at the for next week. So like last week also, we can look at what the constituent indices are doing. And again, like we look at Nifty IT. So this is the weekly chart of Nifty IT, and we can see that the Nifty IT has made a beautiful base, and it's actually trying to make a cup and handle pattern. So the handle is on its way. I mean, it's still not formed. It's once it crosses this level, which is 38 700 levels, then the handle also will be in full full development. And yeah, Nifty IT is now taking positive strides. So I think the trigger came from the Accenture guidance last week, I think a few days back. And if the Indian IT companies, can put up some decent results starting second week of July, then expect IT indices, the index to the take up leadership role in getting the Nifty higher. So this is what Nifty IT is. And then if we can move to Nifty, Bank Nifty also did well this time. I mean, it. We were last week time we were talking about this Bank Nifty in this rising channel. It did give a breakout this week above that channel, but today actually it didn't do well. Along with the overall market, the overall market was also kind of subdued. So there is a chance that it might fall back into this channel. It all depends on the key constituents of the Bank Nifty, which are the two main banks, HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank, and how they perform uh, over the next few days. So, and the next thing we look at is Reliance. And as you can see, Reliance made a major, just wait for the charts to come up. Yeah, Reliance made a major move this week. And that is one of the main reasons, Nifty closed the week with 2% gains. So back to Reliance, as you can see, Reliance has given a breakout, and the next levels would be close to 3,300 levels. And if Reliance makes a move, Nifty will definitely make a move, provided it does not get negative. Uh, if Bank Nifty and IT indices remain at break even or slightly positive, then a strong move in Reliance will definitely take the Nifty higher. But we'll have to see. The crucial level is 3,080 odd for Reliance, and if Reliance manages to stay above that, then of course it's a bullish sign for Reliance, and it will be a bullish sign for Nifty as well. And as a disclaimer, I'd like to say that I do not have positions in Reliance as of now. Neither have I recommended Reliance to any of my clients. But yeah, uh, come based on this breakout, you know, I'll see if there are anything that can, if there are any positions that I can take. But as of now, I don't have any positions in Reliance. And like last time I also mentioned that uh, I also give a write up of my Nifty outlook on the MoneyUncle app. So any if for all you MoneyUncle viewers and all of you viewing this particular video, if you want to uh, read further details uh, about this Nifty outlook, you can go to the MoneyUncle app and check for yourself. That's it, Akshay.
Thank you, Dibankar, for doing this again. And viewers, will see you all next week. And till then, keep watching this channel. You can subscribe it. You can write the comment that what exactly more you want from us.